All right, folks, let's talk about how to calculate elasticities of demand. So this is kind of a bit of I don't know, mopping up because it's not as interesting as thinking about the actual concepts, but hey, you need to do it. So say that a price has changed by 1% and my quantity has changed by minus 2%, because the price increased and my quantity decreased. What's my price elasticity of demand? Well, this is 1, and it goes on the bottom. Because if you remember the formula, we've got percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price. So percentage change in price of 1%. Pop it here. Percentage change of minus 2% in quantity. Pop it here. Minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. Okay, bam. I found the price elasticity of demand of this imaginary situation. Now, often questions won't just give you percents because that would be nice and straightforward and they need to make life difficult for you. So they might just give you other numbers and you would have to work out the percents. But you work out percents in the usual way of working out percents. So if something's gone from £1,200 to £1,400, what's the percentage change? Well, how much has it changed? It's changed by. It's gone up by £200. How much was it originally? It was 1,200. So the percentage change is this times by 100%. So in this case, it's a sixth. A sixth is about 16%, maybe 17%, 17% to the nearest whole percent. And so there we have it. But that would be my percentage change in price, and then I would need to say, oh, maybe we've gone from buying 1,000 units in the market, and then it fell to 900 units. So it's gone down by 100. What's that as a percent of 1,000? Well, minus 100 over 1,000 is minus 10%. So then we're looking at a minus 10% over 17%, because percentage change in price on the denominator, percentage change in quantity on the numerator. So in this case, that would be a change in price elasticity of demand by whatever that comes to as plug that in your calculator, just over half, about minus 0.6. So quite inelastic because, hey, the quantity changed by a lower percentage than the price in this example. Okay, that's it for PD, and then it's exactly the same for the other ones, but I just need to check the actual percentage changes. So then it really comes down to, can I remember the formulas? So for this, it was percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price. For this, it was percentage change in the quantity of the good I'm interested in divided by the percentage change in the price of the other good. And in this case, it's, hey, what's my percentage change in quantity as a proportion of the percentage change in income? Always remember, the quantity is always the numerator, because we're interested in how much has the quantity consumed changed. That's what it's measuring. Elasticities is what's going to be my percentage change in quantity for a 1% change in any of these things I'm asking about, whether it's price of my good, price of another good that's in some way related, whether it's related because they're substitutes and they're kind of competing, or they're complements and you kind of buy them together as a package, or whether it's income and like how much does your demand actually change for good with income. We're always interested in how it affects the demand, so the demand's or the quantity demanded, so that's always on the numerator. And that's a brief overview of how you'll be actually working out specific values.